How are you?
Sir, I'm good.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Shall I begin the test?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my name is Ashwini and I'll be taking your IELTS interview. And I'll begin with introductory part first. Firstly, tell me your full name
So, my name is Ruby Narwal.
and how may I call you?
You can call me by my first name, Ruby.
Ruby, can I see your ID?
Yes, sir. Here it is.
Okay, Ruby, thanks. Ruby, are you a student or you work?
Sir, I am a student and I have completed my graduation in the batch of 2017 to 2020 from Delhi University.
Okay. Ruby, now I'll ask you some questions about food. Are you a food lover?
Yes, sir. I love to eat food many times a day on small intervals.
What is your favorite food item?
Sir, if I talk about food, I love drinks more than eating, like orange juice and other juices.
How have your food choices changed since childhood?
There were many things which I loved to eat during my childhood, but now I am not more fond of those. But I have interest in different kind of food items now, which I was reluctant to eat during my childhood.
How often do you eat outside?
When I was in college, I frequently eat food outside, but now I am at home, so I rarely go outside for eating junk food. Like I go about once a week or once in 2 weeks.
Do you know cooking as well?
Yes, sir. I have learned it from my mother, and she taught me very well.
What was the last meal that you cooked?
Sir, I made chapatis yesterday when there was nobody at home. Me and my brother was there, so I cooked chapatis for us.
Okay, now I'll ask you some questions about your hobbies. What are your hobbies?
Nowadays, I am at home, so I love to dance alone in the room with songs playing. And when I was in school, I loved to play table tennis, which was my hobby at that time.
Do you get enough time to pursue your hobbies?
On weekdays, I don't have much time, but on weekends, I have spare time to pursue my hobbies. Like I have 4 to 5 hours free, and I can enjoy my spare time at that time.
Do you find your hobbies constructive?
Yes, sir, of course. Whenever I do any kind of thing which enhances a sense of joy in myself, so it's very constructive. It's a break from your hectic schedule, and you have mind refreshing activity. Then you feel good.
What new do you want to have as your leisure time activity in future?
I want to learn dance on at large scale. I used to dance like on my own, but I want to learn it from the professionals.
Okay, this is the end of part 1. Let's move on to part 2, which is a cue card. You can make notes for 1 minute and you have to speak from 1 to 2 minutes. So the cue card statement is: tell about your favorite TV show, what it is about, and what you like about it. अक्सर आइल्स के स्टूडेंट को सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है राइटिंग मॉड्यूल में, और मेरा एक सीधा सा समाधान उनको ये होता है कि वो एक्सपर्ट्स की राइटिंग को पढ़ें, समझें, उसके अंदर से सीवीजी गेन करें, कंटेंट वोकैब ग्रामर गेन करें, जिससे धीरे धीरे करके उनका बैंड स्कोर भी इम्प्रूव हो जाएगा। हमारी खुद की लिखी हुई किताबें हैं। ये हमारी लिखी हुई टास्क 2 की किताब है, आर्ट ऑफ राइटिंग एसेज। इसमें तकरीबन 100 ऐसे हमने खुद लिखे हैं और पूरी वोकैबुलरी भी उसमें मेंशन है, मीनिंग्स के साथ मेंशन है। और साथ में हमारे जो टास्क 1 है, आर्ट ऑफ राइटिंग रिपोर्ट, इसमें 80+ हमारी रिपोर्ट्स हैं, लाइन ग्राफ, बार ग्राफ, पाई चार्ट, टेबल्स, मैप और फ्लो चार्ट। अगर आप इन बुक्स को एक्सेस करना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक से आप हमारी मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन पे आएँ और वहाँ से आपको ये दोनों किताबें मिल जाएंगी। Okay, Ruby, speak up.
There are a couple of shows which I like watching during my leisure time, but if I have to choose one, then it will be it's a Hindi comedy show which is named as Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. So it is telecasted on Sony Sub Television. It comes from Monday to Saturday on 8:30 to 9. It's a half an hour show. There are various characters in the show which have different kind of role in the show. So they lives like a family, and they lives in a society, and they discuss every part of their life with each other and how to cope up with the different difficulties in life with a great sense of humor. And there are different characters like Jethalal and which are the leading role in the show, and it's basically a family show, and you can watch it whenever you feel low or bored. So the most important thing I like about it is that it provides you, it make you laugh until you have a pain in your stomach. So it's a kind of stress buster for you, and it helps you to boost your mood and helps you every time.
Let's move on to part 3, which is follow-up section. What is the importance of TV in people's life?
TV plays a vital role in everybody's life because it has various channels which provide different information, and it's a source of entertainment for everybody. From movies and from TV shows you can watch anytime.
Do you think that it has more negative effects than positive ones?
No, I don't think so. TV has negative effects because it is limited to the extent that what they want to show you. It's not up to you that whatever you want to see you can search it on that. It's like what is being published, you can watch that, only that.
Watching TV is an addiction. Do you think it's true?
Yes, sometimes we pass our 6 to 7 hours watching TV because it's somewhat engaging activity, and you find it so easy to just sit on the bed and just have some snacks and just watch the TV. So it's very easygoing activity.
There is a lot of inappropriate content shown on TV nowadays. So how can authorities deal with this?
They should check before the publication of the content on the television. There should be some extent that up to that you can't publish on the television, and moreover they should provide there is a kind of certification for movies that should be implemented properly.
Most TV networks belong to bureaucrats and other rich people. Is it true that they try to misuse it for personal advantage?
Yes, we can say that because we can see so many news channels are conducted by different peoples which are rich or have some powers. So they make use of the TV channels by influencing people with their own views. So yes.
Okay Ruby, this is the end of your speaking test. Except minor grammatical mistakes, you have done pretty well. I would rate your test as 7-band test, right? So in 4 criterias, lexical resources, I would say you have done pretty well. For example, you have used mind refreshing, stress buster, hectic schedule, cope up with, fond of, sense of humor. So these are the very good phrases you have used. If I talk about your grammatical range and accuracy, then you use structures, compound structures and complex structures used to for past. So it's also up to the mark. And your intonation is pretty good. You are varying your tone, and your rate of speech is also good enough. At certain places, like you said, it is telecasted. Rather using that, you could have said it is aired. Like for TV things, it is aired. This is the term that used. And you used boost the mood. For mood, we don't use boost, we use uplift. So this is the right appropriate term for mood. And at the end, like you mentioned, people which. So for people, we will use who, people who are rich, rather using people which are rich. So this is a bit inappropriate, but it does not really distract the listener from the main idea you are expressing. So that's why you are a good communicator in that regard. If I talk about your pronunciation, that's also very important aspect. It's up to the mark, it's pretty good. There are no words that are not understandable from your pronunciation. And I think you are good in fluency and coherence as well. There was nothing that was not connected. So you were fluent throughout your interview as well. So you have improved a lot over last like 1 month just because of your hard work. And I hope you will still improve in further days and achieve a very good band score in speaking. Okay, Ruby, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.